Instagram, Facebook. Here you guys go on a Sunday morning, heading out. I could be staying at home. You know, Mark Morris told to be the broke.com, told to be broke.com. Got to pay off that student loan. Got to go get some dinero. How you guys doing? Guess you guys like my, remember one of the tools I thought I'd briefly tell you, a tool that you could use to use your teeth is the Proxy Brush. And what you do is you put the Proxy Brush in after you eat, you put it, or drink something, you put it in between the teeth, and you massage the gums, and also you go slightly along the tooth, and it helps break down the plaque. So try that. I also have a new newsletter. It's going to be $45 a month. Send it out once a month, twice a month. Just give you some other tips of what I've learned from my 38 years of being going to the dentist, because I didn't go to the dentist till I was sophomore, and I had to do a lot of cleaning things to clean my teeth. So I have some excellent tips I want to help you with. So subscribe to this channel.